Okay, we've loaded the code and it's interesting. I don't know if it's the conversion, but I think we do have more than 4 colors. This is a Amstrad PPC 512 and I'm using the VGA out and I'm running it through a RGBI to HDMI adapter. What I might do shortly is go and grab my flat panel LCD that supports 15 kilohertz and plug it directly into the CGA output to see if the results are any different, because we do get some flashing, but as I rotate through the palettes, we certainly can see more than 4 colors. Absolutely bloody marvelous. This is based on the code by PCRetroProgrammer, and I had no idea that this was even possible on a CGA output. I knew that you could create more colors. There we go. There's some weird sync problems. I knew that you could create more colors with artifacts using the composite out. Okay, so there, that seems to be a bit of a problem. So we may try a different display, but that is really interesting.